Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're managing your business finances with QuickBooks Online, you know how important it is to start off on the right foot. Today, we're tackling a key task: adding a beginning balance to your accounts. This step ensures your books are accurate from day one, especially if you're setting up a new account or migrating data. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, this full guide for 2025 will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. If you haven't already, head to the QuickBooks website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounting tab on the left-hand side menu. This is where all your financial data lives. Next, select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. Here, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Find the one you want to update, like your bank or credit card account, and click on it. Now, look for the Edit or Manage option. In the Account Details page, you'll see a section for Beginning Balance. Click on that to enter your starting amount. Be precise here. Input the exact balance as of the date you're starting from. For example, if your bank account had $5,000 on January 1, 2025, enter that figure along with the date. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm, so double-check for accuracy to avoid future discrepancies. After entering the details, hit Save and Close. To verify everything, go back to your account overview and check if the balance reflects your entry. If it doesn't match, you might need to reconcile the account. QuickBooks has a built-in tool for that. Remember, adding a beginning balance is crucial for reports and tax purposes, so don't skip this step. There you have it. That's how you add a beginning balance in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.